It is super early, like 5 AM, and we're going to Japfest. Got the Subi. Corbin's very happy how early it is.
Jesus Christ, dude. I'm literally crying and shaking.
Yeah, but you're always crying and shaking.
Look who's there. It's the man,
The myth.
the myth, the legend. Tijmen.
We're at the halfway mark. Tijmen's here, Corbin. We're enjoying a Gentable. Let's take a look at what's already here at the sort of halfway meeting points. Some Subis. Outside. This piece of junk.
This piece of junk.
Yeah. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Special guest has arrived. Okay, so we're driving through the pits. I guess someone's going to change out my wheels or something.
Yeah, you have 12 seconds. Good
Yeah, that's what happened, right? We've arrived at the circuit. Everyone's parking up. First impressions?
Very cool.
Yeah. We've already seen the Fast and Furious cars somewhere back there.
What? Which one I want to buy?
Which one of all these?
The pink one.
Oh yeah. Phil, which one would you want to have?
The pink one.
The pink one as well? Yeah. What do you think of those wheels?
Cute. Not my thing. Aero wheels.
So, that's proper ankle kit. Got a bike, and it keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Cool, when are you gonna do that?
Nah.
Alright, so
Holy shit.
we've got some guy revving that's really loud. We've got a GR86 here. It's the first one I've seen in the Netherlands. And also 400 ZX.
Ja, ik denk ja, hij wil een nieuwe auto.
What do you think, the 400Z?
Dude, the 400Z, this is sick. Because this is German, right?
Yeah.
This one. But it's not allowed in the Netherlands?
Yeah, I thought it wasn't allowed in like all of Europe, so I'm pretty confused as to how this is here.
But this, like, this is the first time I've seen one in the flesh. But in videos, like the back looks very weird, right? Like, but it's really nice if you come check.
Like the two exhaust tips there look so sick. I don't know, it reminds me of like a 70s car as well, right? And the interior is very nice as well. This comes with a manual V6, I think turbocharged, nice interior. You know, compared to a fucking Supra, which had like automatic, but Supra is gonna get a manual now. But yeah, very sick.
Very nice 180. So here's the Subaru club with all Subarus that are better than my Subaru.
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 Of what you can do.
An actual 22B, just out here. Because someone said it's a 22B. Is it a 22B? It is an actual 22B. Or it's either that or it's a very nice replica.
Straks nog denk ik.
Very nice Evo. This thing is really clean.
Ja, echt wel.
And a very nice 86. Got a very nice row of cars over here, mainly S chassis. What do you think of S chassis?
Is good? Yeah, especially the pink
The
one.
pink S14.
Dude, if I had fucking 100k, I would say.
You buy a pink S14?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, it's
very mint,
pretty sick. It's not garish.
Yeah,
Not-
it's like,
yeah. It's like pastel pink or something.
yeah, it's very nice.
I'd be more inclined to get something like this.
The red one, or what?
The white one's very nice. Or the blue S13 over there.
Dude, hoeveel zou je voor een RX-7
Here come two Civics. That is surprising.
What?
That they'll still wins of the 370. You know what you call that, Corbin? That's
What?
power to weight. Subaru versus Civic.
De Nissan GT-R tegen de Toyota Supra.
What the hell?
You guys know what happened?
The GTR wasn't paying attention to the sign.
Oh. Chaser versus 370. Well, that's a 2J for you. Is it a typo?
Type Aero Integra.
Yeah. Buy one.
Yeah, for fucking 70k or something.
Yeah, probably. we rijden mee. Nou, het zal zijn voor 2 jaar. What do you think?
Too expensive, but very nice.
Oh. Corbin, what do you think?
From?
Skyline.
Skyline?
Yeah.
Always. Mint made.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Buy one.
Yeah. With 500k.
Oh, dat is een NSX, maar nieuwer. Lelijk. Oh, dat was... Tijmen, buy one of these.
Yeah. Not available here. It's from a fair lady.
Yeah. Yeah. Subaru Vivio with supercharger, and it's all-wheel drive, and Suzuki Cappuccino. Tijmen,
Een kopje chino.
buy a cappuccino.
Well, probably won't fit in there.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, dude.
NSX.
An actual NSX.
First one you've
The
seen?
first one in my entire life. There's only 3 in the Netherlands, right?
No, there's more.
More?
I've seen 3.
Oh, what the fuck?
What do you think of the NSX?
It's a nice car.
It's smaller in real life than you think it is, right?
No, it's automatic.
Yep. No, is it all? What is it?
Yeah. Automatic?
What the hell?
Sad.
It is an auto.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm sad.
Yeah. And of course, more Itachi.
Okay.
Pretty sure that this is like an Evo bumper, or what does it say on here? I don't know what it says, but it is a Mazda. I'm pretty sure.
It's cheating, bro.
Why is NOS cheating?
NOS is cheating
Why is NOS cheating?
because it's like steroids, but for
Yeah.
cars.
But it works, though. Look at that! Look at that big boy. It's got the bunch on the steering wheel as well.
NOS is illegal, right here?
Is it?
I think.
I'm not sure.
Maybe it's only a track car. It doesn't have a plate.
Or maybe. Yeah, he probably took the plate off. If he has a plate on the back. Yeah, he has a plate.
Okay, so you took it off, I guess.
Yeah.
So it is road legal.
This guy likes Micra so much, he put a Micra on his Micra. Subaru. Very cute.
Wij onderscheiden lange ballen. Dus weer misschien wel weer lekker terug bij. Het duurt 3 seconden, zegt hij, maar het duurt wel 3 seconden dan.
Hey, this guy has the same tires as I.
Same tires as you?
Yeah, Yokohama van Ryoba.
Nice.
Drag Aristo. It's for sale. Suzuki, what is this? What is this diamond? The Suzuki Nugget.
Something GX.
GX.
Something GX.
Yeah.
It's too small for your car.
Yeah, just squeeze in.
Yeah. Okay.
Somehow we've ended up on the toge. Look at how the map is.
So maps made a diversion for us because there was a small accident and we ended up on a quite a cool road.
We're at the sort of post-meet thingy and we're just gonna grab a bite and go home after this. So, what do you guys think of Japfest?
Cool. Really cool. Yeah.
Yeah?
It's fun.
Ja, pretty dank.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So yeah, that'll probably be it. Bye.